In this video, I'll show you how to round corners of an object in Adobe Illustrator. First, open your Illustrator document and select the shape you want to edit. Choose the Selection tool or press V on your keyboard. You'll see small corner widgets on each corner of the shape. Hover over one of the corner widgets until you see a curved icon. Click and drag inward to round all corners at once. You can keep dragging until the shape becomes a circle. To round only one corner, select the Direct Selection tool or press A. Click the corner you want to edit. The corner widget will appear only on that corner. Drag it inward to round just that corner. You can do the same to round two or more corners by selecting them individually. This method works with any shape in Illustrator. That's it. You now know how to round corners in Adobe Illustrator. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.